Hello fellow Dragon Ball fans. Today we're going to unbox this Masterlise Super Saiyan Kid Gohan figure. The figure comes in two pieces, the figure itself and a support for his foot. Here's a closer look at the figure. The details on this figure are on point and the sculpt is very solid. It's a 9 out of 10 for me. Here it is compared to the Solid Edge Works Gohan with the HQDX Kid Gohan with long hair. With the Super Master Stars piece SSJ to Gohan battle damaged. With the Grandista Teen Gohan SSJ2. With the Grandista Ultimate Gohan figure. With the Masterlise History of Film Gohan Kamehameha. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.